This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're opening the console and preparing to close it properly. Start by pressing the tilde key, tilde, to show the console. Make sure the game version matches your settings and that console access is enabled in config files. Once visible, look for active input focus and nearby overlays like Origin or Steam. Those often keep the console grabbing input. If overlays are active, disable them now so the console can accept the close command cleanly and avoid repeated attempts. Now you'll run the commands that actually close the console. Type clear to wipe text when the console is responsive, because that often restores normal input. If the console is stubborn, enter con clear or gently try quit only when in a safe spot. Quit will exit the game, so save first. Once a command runs, press the tilde key, tilde, again to toggle the console closed. This two-step approach solves most mid-process hangs and prevents accidental input capture by the console. Finish by confirming the console is closed visually and that keyboard input returns to normal. Press tilde once more and test an in-game command or movement. If it stays stuck, save your progress and do a controlled restart of the game. Restarting clears lingering hooks. If the problem persists, inspect your battlefield for config files or remove third-party mods. As a last resort, verify files or reinstall. Troubleshooting tip: disable overlays first. They are the most common cause of a console that won't close.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.